Okay, here is the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, let's go back. A. A is for apple. A is for apple. A. B. B is for baby boy. B is for baby boy. Here's a baby boy. C. C is for car. There's a car. C is for car. D. D is for door. Here's a door with a dog. Here's a dog. A dog coming through a door. E. E is for elephant. Here's an elephant. F is for foot or feet, or a foot with a face on it. F. F. G. G or G. G is for gate. Gate. So what have we got? We've got A for apple, B or B for baby, C or K for car, D for door, D or D for door or dog, E or E for elephant, F or F. F is for foot or feet, or a foot with a face on it. G or G for gate, H for H, head with hair, not much hair but head. I or I. I is for ink. That's an ink blot. Ink. J, J. J, J is for jam. Here's some jam in a jar. Jam. K or K is for kilt. There's a kilt. Or kettle. So K is for kilt. Kilt or kettle. L, L is for lemon. Lemon. Here's a lemon. L is for lemon. M or M. M is for money. Money. N. N. N or N is for net. Here's a net. O or O. O is for orange. Orange. O is for orange. P or P is for pie. P is for pie. Q or Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for queen. R or R. R is for red ring. It's red and it's a ring. A round ring. R. S. S. S is for soap. S. Soap. T. 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 T is for teeth. Teeth. I could always say it was for tongue as well, but teeth or tooth. But this says teeth. T is for teeth. That's a U, but it's pronounced A. A is for umbrella. Umbrella. A is for umbrella. V. 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 V is for vase. Here's a vase. W. W or W. W is for window. Window. W is for window. X is the name, but the sound is Z. So this is a xylophone. A xylophone. And this has an X at the end of the word, so this is a box. Box. A xylophone or a box. It's the Z or the Z that's important here. Y or Y? Y is for yawn. Yawn. Or yellow. Y is for yawn or yellow. Z. Z is for Z. The sound of Z is Z. Zebra. Here's a zebra. Z. Well, there is the alphabet. If you practice it, you'll remember it. Thank you.